Hello, my name is Joel. I'm a student in the master's program at Universidade Paulista Unipe, and I'm here to present the article Industry 4.0 Technologies in Effluent Management, Advances and Opportunities. The other authors of this article are Professor Marcia Terra da Silva and Professor Rodrigo Franco Gonçalves. The research problem in this article is related to the growing urgency of environmental issues and water pollution, which highlight the need for innovative solutions. Effluent or wastewater treatment. The research question is how Industry 4.0 technologies impact treatment management of effluents. Impact of Industry 4.0 technologies on wastewater management in order to increase efficiency and promoting environmental preservation. Water is life, and treating effluents can eliminate or reduce excess heavy metal nutrients and pathogenic organisms, guaranteeing conditions for the reuse of this water. This process is carried out by a number of companies and is vital for minimizing negative impacts and ensuring water sustainability. Effluent treatment plants play a crucial role in this process, which is continuous, uninterrupted. The Industry 4.0 perspective emerges in a globally interconnected context, transformed by information and communication technologies. In this technological scenario, the Internet of Things, the Internet of Services, and cyber-physical systems create connections inside and out. Industry, interconnecting supply chains. These innovations play a key role in environmental preservation, making it possible to monitor in real time, optimize resources, and the adoption of eco-efficient practices. A systematic literature review is a methodological approach that uses predefined and rigorous criteria to identify, analyze, synthesize existing research on a specific topic. The aim is to gather all the relevant evidence available in the literature to address a research question. Our systematic literature review was carried out using the Scopus and Web of Science databases with the search string Wastewater and Industry 4.0. The protocol adopted was Okoli's and consists of 4 stages. The 4 steps used to draw up the protocol. The identification of the topic and the research question were the starting point for drawing up the research protocol. Stage number 2, selection, in which the practical screening took place, defining the search criteria, including the databases. The literature search took place in the Scopus and Web of Science with the string Wastewater and Industry 4.0. 41 articles were retrieved from Scopus and 24 from Web of Science, and 24 articles from Web of Science for a total of 65 articles. Of these 65 articles, 22 were duplicates, resulting in 43 total articles. 43 articles in total. Of these 43 articles, we didn't get 5. 8 articles. In stage 3, we extracted the data and analyzed and evaluated the articles based on the research question. Looking at it from this perspective, we saw that 21 of the articles had a different focus from the research question, making 17 articles. Stage 4 was the execution stage, in which the synthesis of these articles was carried out. Of these articles, structuring, combining and analyzing them, and drafting the text, and a summary of the topic covered. The analysis of the 17 articles resulted in the table shown here, in which an analysis is made of the theme and focus of each of the articles used. The data obtained from Scopus and Web of Science was analyzed using VOS Viewer software, which generated this image, which we divided into 4 clusters, in which each one highlights terms that appear more frequently. In this first cluster, we explored the convergence between the Internet of Things and real-time monitoring in tributary treatment. In effluent treatment, the authors Pandey et al. Highlight the versatility of IoT systems, performing crucial functions from collecting data on wastewater to remote monitoring of water quality in post-treatment. The adoption of these advanced technologies, combined with artificial intelligence, not only optimizes the efficiency of treatment facilities, but also enables remote monitoring and real-time analysis, as well as artificial intelligence. The second cluster focuses on the role of machine learning, process control and automation in the wastewater treatment scenario. Materi et al. Suggest applying machine learning algorithms to identify subtle contaminants, providing regulatory compliance and environmental safety. Also noteworthy is the automation emphasized by Pandey et al., which is leading the way by enabling the elimination of dangerous conditions and a proactive approach to reducing operating costs. The third cluster focuses on the relationship between learning algorithms, sustainability, and environmental technologies. Pisa et al. Present evidence of the solid performance of prediction and control networks, while Liu et al. Point out that the combination of the Internet of Things and big data offer promising prospects for improving environmental management and promoting sustainability. In the fourth and final cluster, we explore themes related to water recovery and water quality. Liu et al. Highlight the advances in recovery technologies, making it possible to produce water of various qualities, suitable for drinking and non-potable uses. However, Materia et al. Warns of the need for strict precautions in wastewater treatment plants, given the variety of operating conditions that can impact public health and the environment. In conclusion, we state that the convergence of Industry 4.0's enabling technologies and effluent treatment offers substantial improvements, from improved operational efficiency up to a higher quality of treated water. Authors such as Effendik et al. Point out that these technologies enable informed and effective decision-making, promoting environmental preservation. However, there are challenges to be faced, such as technological integration, regulatory compliance, and organizational adjustments. In a global scenario of increasing water scarcity, the recycling of effluent water is gaining relevance, highlighting even more the role of Industry 4.0. Thank you very much.